This is a disaster. I might eat one of these.
It's actually staying really well. Hey guys, today we're giving you a Is It Worth It holiday special. Robbie and I will be building a gingerbread house completely from scratch, and
Garrett and I will be making the store-bought gingerbread house kit.
We're interested to see which is worth it, homemade or store-bought.
let's get to it. The first step is making your dough. You'll need a large mixing bowl with 6 tablespoons of softened butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of molasses. I'm making a mess.
Yeah.
Next, you're gonna take 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla and mix it all together. Next, we're gonna take the rest of the ingredients to make the dough, put it in this bowl, mix it up, and get that going.
1/4 teaspoon baking powder.
And 3 cups of all-purpose flour.
1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking soda.
1/2 teaspoon of allspice. And 1 full tablespoon of ginger.
And we have 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon.
Next, you're gonna mix your wet and dry ingredients into the same bowl. It might get a little thick, but add some water and don't give up. It's snowing.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas over here.
We're gonna divide the dough into 2 separate piles and then wrap it in plastic wrap. The next step is to chill the dough. We're gonna chill ours overnight, come back tomorrow and start making our house.
All right.
Let's do it.
We're about to do this.
Let's go. All right, let's open it. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, wow, that's a lot, actually.
Ooh. So we got the gingerbread, of course. That's the main part.
We're back for day 2 of building a gingerbread house from scratch. Now we're gonna check our dough that's risen overnight, get to rolling out the dough, cutting out our pieces, and then get to decorating. Okay, do you wanna roll?
I guess so. I'm as ready as I can be.
We have Robbie using his muscles here to get our dough rolled out.
Oh no. This is a disaster. Got a bunch of candy to decorate. It's gonna be so much fun.
We use this part for the decorate.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, you put the gingerbread on this part.
Part of me feels like it's not getting any better.
Now I think we need to put the flour on the rolling pin and the dough.
Let's give that a shot. So much better. So next, we'll be starting to carve out the pieces that we'll need to make our gingerbread house.
2 walls and a triangle. Or 2 triangles.
Four
4 triangles?
4 walls. 2 triangles.
Well, no, the walls will be on the side. These 2 will be in the front. I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna try to make these the same size.
So now we're lining them up so that we can cut the second house wall for our house.
Next, we need to do the pieces for the roof. I'm gonna take this piece and then take a roof piece and kind of guesstimate about how tall it needs to be. I think we have enough to test our luck at making either a tree or a gingerbread.
We need a gingerbread man.
We did not prepare and get a actual gingerbread cookie cutter for this, so we're gonna freehand. We should have a contest and see whose gingerbread man looks the cutest. Mine or Robbie's.
Okay.
He's a bodybuilder gingerbread man.
Yes.
I think he looks fantastic.
Oh man.
Definitely skeptical about our measurements. Now we've got our cookies placed on our baking sheets. We're gonna put these in the oven, again at 350 degrees for about 10 to 11 minutes. So for the icing, we're gonna take 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, 2 3/4 ounces of egg whites, and we're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
First step, the icing preparation. fine. That's okay.
As long as it doesn't hit the camera.
So now that we have our cookies all nice and cool, we'll start piecing them together using this lovely icing here that we've created earlier.
If you want to hold it, I can ice it.
Okay.
So we're gonna be opening up the gingerbread packet, and then I'm going to be lining the canals of the inner part right here on the outside, and then we're gonna do the inside of the walls to glue it together. And we'll start building. So this would go like right here. Bam.
Okay. Take the side. This will be our front door. It's actually staying really well. I am
impressed.
genuinely surprised. It's kind of a leaning house, but you know, it gives it character.
It doesn't want to let go. Let go. Let it go.
Yeah, we'll start singing some Frozen. How about that?
This is so much pressure.
You feel it slightly move and just get so
Okay.
worried.
Oh, we didn't do that bad of a job at standing.
Needs some roof work, but it's great.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a gap on this side, but you know, it's gonna work.
Wait, just stick.
Go ahead. Go ahead and like put it like right in the middle of them.
Whoa! We got a house!
I saw the door, the owl, the backside, like right here, and I thought we messed up because there wasn't gonna be a door at our driveway.
One way in, one way out.
All right.
Okay, next we're gonna decorate our gingerbread men. This is my man, and Robbie
Here's
looks
my
like he's
guy.
posed for a picture.
We don't know what happened to his arm.
I kind of want to put the gingerbreads on now. Nope, he has a messed up eye. Woo, look at my little man. It's like Sims whenever you first built the house.
Oh my
and the
gosh.
people just chilling at the street.
Yes. Well, mine look kind of evil. And this is my gingerbread person.
Gonna give him some gumdrop buttons.
Can't have a gingerbread man without him. Let's see how they're gonna do this. It was leaning. That's so sad. I'm gonna have nightmares of this gingerbread man.
He'll haunt you in your dreams.
Oh, yes.
Robbie, why did you mess up my hand?
My man's just wearing a red shirt. You know what? It's a Christmas onesie.
Mine is super festive, and he's finished.
And mine's ready for bed, and he's ready.
His gingerbread.
His gingerbread in his gingerbread house.
We have a nice design going on the door. Super modern. Cute, cute.
Ooh, these are the best kind of peppermints. The soft one. I like soft peppermints. I don't like hard peppermints. Got one on. Okay. See, when I did this with my son, this was the first thing to go.
Gumdrops are super easy thing to decorate with because they're super light. I'm thinking maybe we can like fill in the roof with icing. Take some of these to give it some texture, like it would be like sugar shingles. Oh yeah, you just throw it and it sticks.
So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these little snowflakes on the roof of the house. I'm just gonna be putting a bunch of random dots on the roof, and then she is gonna be putting the snowflakes on. Awesome. Here, how about you get started on that side?
Okay. Yeah, our house is really starting to look like a nice little house.
Just pointing it out.
It's sliding. Oh,
Is it
man.
just me, or does it look like it's changed direction?
Oh no.
I think it was heavier than we thought it was. It is smart.
We've literally put so much icing. We're not gonna quit our day jobs to be bakers.
Absolutely not.
So this is what we got so far. It's almost like you can see the trees from outside, but the trees are on the inside. Does that make sense?
Oh, I like that.
You know?
I get it.
It gives them like an outdoor perspective of it,
Yeah.
I might eat one of these.
I know.
It smells good.
Because they're really good.
I don't even know what to do.
It's almost like Christmas Pop-Tarts at this point.
I feel like the walls are okay. It's the roof that's making everything come down.
For sure, yeah. And it's about to fall apart right there.
We're giving this a valiant effort. Okay, I'm gonna take some of this icing and make it look like the whole front is just covered in snow.
Bam. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna line the driveway with the gumdrops. All in all, I think we did a really good job.
Oh,
Look at that! Look at our house! It looks so good.
As soon as we get this thing stable, we need to just be like, here's our house.
Should run far away. Hello.
What's going on?
Oh my god. Well, there's clearly a difference.
Just a little bit.
I personally think y'all's looks like professional, sent it over from the North Pole, if I had to say.
Candyland had a blizzard and knocked over a tree that sadly took over our house.
I think ours is gonna taste better though.
3, 2, 1.
Something tells me this is ginger.
It does have ground up ginger in it.
Molasses.
Molasses.
10 out of 10 on the cookie.
I think we did great.
yeah.
I'm actually scared of those.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna break my tooth or something. Okay.
Okay?
Cool. Yep.
3, 2, 1. Oh,
I really don't notice the flavor.
I don't know.
they don't say like you don't have like
Yeah.
the spice that was in this one, you're lacking in
I
this.
think they forgot the molasses. Okay, so my decision, I'm gonna have to go with the homemade version.
I also would agree that it's worth it to make the homemade.
I'm also gonna have to go with the homemade.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the homemade one.
I'm surprised.